your iPhone.
I've started recording now. Everybody calms down. I'm very serious. Okay.
Sure.
All right. So what we are going to do today? We are going to do tables like we do every day. Arav, calm down. Calm down. Everybody calms down. Okay. We'll do tables first. Then we will look at the syllabus for level 1. I'll go through the topics one by one. Okay. In next 4 weeks, we are going to cover everything that we have for level 1. That means all the topics for grade 3, grade 4, and grade 5 will be covered. And then we'll do practice for Staar Test for you guys. Okay. We'll make sure that before the Staar Test happens, let's say by end of March or beginning of April, I don't know when that is, you should be ready for that. Okay. So in next 4 weeks, meaning next 8 classes, we'll make sure that everything that we have as part of level 1 that gets covered. So you guys know everything that you're supposed to know for grade 3 to grade 5. Okay. All right. So let's start with the tables first. Maida, you can hear me okay? Arab, I will let
Yeah.
you know when you have to talk. We are not here for any group discussion. We're learning maths. I will let you guys know when you have to speak. Okay. Anyways, one last question. Okay, what is the question, Arab? What is the question? Okay, what is the question?
So can I start the tables or not?
I will tell you guys. So that is why.
But
Then
I never done tables for like 5 weeks now. I counted.
I will let you know. I'm taking a note of who is doing what. So don't worry about it. Okay. Everybody will get a chance. Okay. Don't worry about it. And see, if I'm not giving somebody a chance, that means I know that person is already ahead. So that's why I'm giving everybody a chance so that everybody learns. Okay. So don't feel bad about anything. Okay. My intention is everybody in this group becomes a champion in maths. Okay. That's my goal. Goshika, you were saying something? No? Okay. All right. So let's start with the tables. Okay. Goshika, you had no question? Yeah, go ahead. No. Okay. All right. Calm down. Everybody calms down. When you are studying, if you dance, you'll not study. So one thing at a time. Everybody calms down. All right. So we'll do a table of 8 and we'll do the table of 13. Okay. But before that, Sania is a new member in this group. So I want to know Sania's preparation between yesterday and today. So Sania, was there any table that you were able to spend some time with, or you'll do it in the next class?
I did 12, kind of.
Okay, you did. Which table did you do, Sania?
12.
12 is something that we did in the class yesterday, but I would still want you to go slow. Don't rush to 12. I would want to hear from you, let's say table of 6. Do you think you can try it? Table of 6?
Yes, 1 second.
Okay, let's do that. Arav, no emoji, no background change. Everybody stays focused because if you change the background, it creates distraction. Okay. All right. Next 1 hour, we are not doing anything other than maths. Okay. All right. Sanya, you want to try, or you want to sing with me? We can do it together. That's okay.
Table 6.
Yep. Okay, let's do it together. Let's do it together. That's okay. Okay. I will sing and you can sing with me. You can just follow me. Okay.
Okay.
6 1 just 6.
6 1s are 6.
6 2 are 12.
6 2s
6 2s are 12.
6 3 are 18.
6 3
6 3s are 18.
6 4 are 24.
6 4s are 24.
6 5 are 30.
6
5 are 13.
6 6 are 36.
6 6 are 30.
I want to hear Sanya. I think you guys know already. Let
6 7
me.
42.
Okay. 6 6 are 36. Sania, I want to hear you better.
The 30. Oh,
6 is 36.
6 7 are 42.
6,
6
7,
is
7,
42.
42.
6 8 are 48.
6, 8,
6 8 are 48.
6 9 are 54.
6, 9,
6 9 are 54.
6 10 are 60. Okay.
6, 10,
6 10s are 60.
And that is only, that table was done only for giving Sania a chance to catch up because she had joined recently. So that's why that was only for Sania. So Sania, the homework that I would want to give you, apart from other homework, is spend 5 minutes maybe daily, okay, to plan to memorize table till at least 6 or 7. Okay, so basically from 2 to 6 or 7 before the next class. I
Okay.
know you are not there in the next class, right? Next week you are traveling. Okay, so in the following class, okay, so plan to finish
Okay.
table up to 7 before the next class you join. Okay, and that would not need anything more than 5 minutes daily. Okay, that's what I want you to do. All right, Advik,
Okay.
settle down. Okay. All right, now we will do table of 12 and 13. Arav has a concern that I have not given him a chance. So today Arav gets a chance. Okay. So Arav will do table of 12. Yesterday, Myra did, and who else did? Tasvik, right? Yeah. So Myra and Tasvik did yesterday. So I'll give Arav a chance today, and then I will give Gaushika a chance today. Okay. So that Kavyan and Advi get chance in the next class. Okay. So everybody gets chance. Don't worry about it. Okay. And this is only to practice for 2 minutes, and we all will practice with him, with Arav and Gaushika anyways. Okay. So Gaushika, which one you want to do? 12 or 13?
I'll do 12.
You'll do 12. So Arav, you will do 13. Okay. Okay. And don't worry, I'm there always. Okay. No matter which table you're doing. So,
Okay.
Gaushika, you start with 12. We all want to follow you.
1 12 are 12. 12 ones are
12
12.
to 12.
2 12 are 24.
Okay. So you
12
do.
are 24.
Wait. You'll do other way around. You'll say 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Go ahead.
12 threes are 36.
12
threes are 30.
12 3 are 36.
12 fours are 48.
12
fours are
48.
12 fives are 60.
12 5 are
60.
60.
12 sixes are 72.
12
6
6 are 72.
12 eights are, no, 12 sevens are 84.
12
12
7 are 84.
12 eights are 96.
12 8 are 96.
12 nines are 108.
12 9 are 108.
12 tens are 120.
12 10 are 120.
Good job, Gaushika. So now we go to Arav. Arav.
It's emotion.
Okay. No motion, no emotions. Okay.
13 ones are
13.
13. 13 ones are 13.
13.
13 twos are 26.
13
13
twos are 26.
13 threes are
39.
39. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are
52.
52. 13 fours are 52.
52.
13
13 fives are 65. 13
5
fives are 65. 13 sixes are
78.
78. 13 sixes are 78. 13 sevens are
81.
91. 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 100.
104. 104.
104. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 124.
Nope. 13 nines are 117.
Oh, okay.
13 nines are 117.
13 nines are 117.
13 tens are 130. Okay.
13 tens are 130.
Okay. Now, so I know this is our goal. I want everybody in this group to know the table till 13. Okay. Now, you all know, I don't have to say, this needs all of us to practice. Okay. The table of 13. Arav, the table of 13, we have to practice. Okay. We have to get better at it. Okay. That means make sure that you guys are spending 5 minutes to start from the table that you know and the table that you still have to get better. Okay. So, Arav, your target is 13. Arav, Myra, Advik, Goshika, and yeah, Arav, Advik, Myra, and Goshika, let's say. These four kids have to be champion in table of up to table of 13. Okay. You guys have been there for some time. Okay. For Tashvik, Avyan, and Sania, the target is you guys should be champion in table up to 7 or 8. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And then who's left? Nobody. Okay.
No, what about Ishan?
What is that?
What ab- what about Ishan?
Ishan has not joined. I think somebody is at home. Okay. So his family members have come. So that's why he has not joined. So, anyways, now one more thing for you guys. Focus on yourself. Okay. What you will learn, what you will practice is what will reflect in your score. Okay. In the exams. Don't worry about Ishan. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about Myra. Everybody needs to worry about themselves. Okay. That is how you'll be able to focus. Now, Avik has also joined. Hey, Avik, can you hear me? Avik,
Let's copy it on again.
wait. I'm the teacher, right? I don't want everybody to become a teacher here, okay? Calm down. Avik, can you hear me?
He didn't join.
I see Avik. I see somebody with names.
That's my brother. He
No,
joined. Yeah.
I see somebody named Sarita. That is Abhik's number, okay? Okay. So, Abhik, if you are hearing me or if you're not able to hear me, regardless, this video is going to get uploaded in YouTube that I will send the link for. So, the goal for Abhik, you is I want you to memorize table till 8 before the next class, which is on next Saturday, okay? And that will take only 5 minutes of your time every day, okay? Just sing it like a song and you'll find it easy, okay? So that's on the tables. Now let's come to the class, okay? I will ask some questions. Again, I'm not opening up a debate. I will ask the question to people whom I need to ask question, okay? And only those people will answer, okay? Not everybody. I know how much Advik knows, how much Arav knows, how much Myra knows, how much Goshika knows, how much Tasvik and Kavya also knows, okay? So don't worry about that. I will ask you guys, and don't dance on the screen because that distracts. Calm down, okay? Now, I want to know who all doesn't know multiplication, simple multiplication. That is not a question for Advik Arav anyways, neither for Myra, okay? Not for Goshika. I want to hear it from Tanya. Are you there? Sanya got disconnected. Okay, Sanya is back. Sanya, do you know basic multiplication? One digit, two digit multiplication?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I will just show it quickly on the screen. Okay. And again, nobody has to raise hand. Nobody has to ask question. Okay. It is only for me to see if Sanya can see what we already have covered in the class. Okay. What happened? I cannot share my screen. Okay. Can you guys see my screen? Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe. Yes.
Okay. Can you see a whiteboard?
Gaviran says no. I can't see.
You will see. And if one person is not able to see, that
Yeah.
means there's a problem for that individual. So you'll have to drop off and join back again. Okay. All right. Can everybody see a white screen coming up?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right. So
Maybe.
I said we'll not do any discussion that doesn't add value. Let's not worry about it. So Sanya, I am just showing you simple multiplication. Okay. if I am multiplying this with 6, okay, you know how to do it. I'll do first this one. 6 times 4 is 24. I'm carrying forward 2. Okay, I write 24, right? So I just pick the first one. Wrote 4 and 2 carries forward. 6 2s are 12 plus 2 is 14. I'll write 4, 1 carry forward. 6 1 just 6 plus 1. Whatever I carried forward, that I added here. This one is clear? Have you done this before?
Yes.
Okay. Everybody has to be on mute, okay? When I ask somebody to talk, that is when you have to unmute yourself. Okay. Now, let's say I have to do one digit. I'm just doing it one more time. Okay. 7 4 ja 28. I'll write 8. 2 carry forward. 7 2 ja 14 plus 2. 16. I'll write 6. 1 carry forward. 7 1 ja 7 plus 1 8. One digit is okay. Now, if I say multiplied by 17, then you'll pick the second one. Since you're starting with the second number now, you will cross the first one. Okay, you'll not write anything under this one. You'll start from here. 1 times 4 4, 1 times 2 2, 1 times 1 1. Okay, and then you just add 8 plus nothing is 8, 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 carry forward, 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry forward, 1 plus 1 2. That's it. So this is a 2-digit multiplication. So if you have 2-digit, you have 3-digit, same way you will carry on. Okay. So if this is 3-digit, when you're doing 3rd digit, you will cross 2 numbers and you will start from the 3rd number. Okay. Yeah. So this one, Sania, were you knowing this before?
Which one? The first one, the second one?
Second one, the 2-digit one.
No, I didn't do that one.
Okay. Okay. So I will give you some homework on that one. Okay. So that way you can practice some. And if you have any question, you'll come to me. I'll explain that to you. Okay. All right. So I'm just doing it one more time here. Okay. And I'm doing it because so that you can watch, when you watch this video offline, you'll be able to recall. So what I do is I pick the first number and start multiplying. 7 4 are 28. I'll write 8, carry forward 2. 7 2 are 14 plus 2, 16. I'll write 6, 1 carry forward. 7 1 are 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. And remember, keep enough space between the numbers so that you can differentiate which one is where. Okay. Other, if you keep everything together, it will be very difficult to find out which one you have to add with whom. Okay. Now, when you pick the second number, you'll cross the first position. You cannot start from second because you're starting with the second number multiplication. So you cross it. Then you start from here. 1 times 4 4. Same thing up repeat, just that you started with one no, skipping one number. Okay. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1. So see, what I did was I'm keeping numbers together so that I know whom to add with whom. Okay. So I will 8 is to be added with nothing. It remains 8. 6 plus 4 becomes 10. I'll write 0, 1 carry forward. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry forward, 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the answer. But what is important is how you go about it. You pick the first number, do the multiplication, write it down. When you start the second one, you skip one place, then you do the same thing and you write it down. If you have 3rd digit also, you'll skip 2 places then, and then you'll start same thing. From here, you go here and carry forward whatever you have to carry forward. Okay. And then you add them together. I will give you some sample assignments which you can try doing. And then we'll see, if you are facing an issue, we'll try fixing it. Okay. Sania, is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, so multiplication, I'm assuming everybody else knows. Since Sanya is new, I will make sure that she is also able to catch up on that. Okay. So the Arab, sit down. No roaming around. Okay. Because and if you have to move, make sure your video is turned off so that way, not everybody gets distracted. Okay. So we talked about simple multiplication, and I'm assuming everybody knows. Last week you are clear about multiplication, right? 1-digit, 2-digit multiplication.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me check with Avik. Avik, are you clear about 1-digit and 2-digit multiplication? Abhik, you have to speak up. If you are mute, I would not know what you don't know and what you don't. So otherwise, how will I fix the problem? Okay. All right. I'm assuming that Abhik will let me know. I will check with him offline also. Kavyan, are you clear about multiplication? One digit, two digit, three digit multiplication? Yeah. No problem with that. Okay. So all the kids from in this group who are what you call in the lower classes or who are kind of younger than others, I will give them a separate assignment. I would want to make sure that they are very clear with the concepts, and if there's any gap, I will fix it. Arav, calm down. I'll come to you, beta. I'm not here for any discussion or debate. Okay, I'll come to you guys. I have to make sure that everybody in the class is able to follow. Okay. Now, next comes the addition, subtraction, and elimination, estimation. Now tell me, who doesn't know addition or subtraction? Anybody who doesn't know addition or subtraction? And be honest, it's okay. Uh, Sania, how comfortable are you with addition and subtraction?
I'm good.
You're good. Okay.
Wait, also, what type of addition are you talking about? Are you talking like 5-digit, 3-digit, or all?
Doesn't matter. It could be 25 digit also. The approach or the concept remains the same. If you know the concept, you can play with it. My question was more with respect to how clear are you with the concepts. Okay. Now let me do something here on the screen. Let's say I have to subtract 945 from this. Okay, so this is subtraction. Doesn't matter whether it's a 3 digit or 4 digit or 8 digit. I will just keep it this way. I will show the unit places together, places together, and its places together. Since this one doesn't have 1,000, so uh, I don't have to worry about it. Okay. Now, how do we do it? You have to subtract 5 from 0. You cannot do that. What will you do? You'll borrow 1 from this guy. That makes it 10. Now this guy is 0. How will you borrow 1 from this 0? So this guy tries borrowing 1 from this guy. So it becomes 10. And out of 10, it can give 1 to this guy. But this guy also doesn't have anything. What happens? Okay, I think I picked up a complicated one in the beginning itself. Let me pick up something simpler. Okay. Okay, let me do this. 7 minus 4, 3, no doubt. Now 6 minus 8. I cannot subtract 8 from 6. What will I do? I'll have to borrow something. And when you borrow, you always borrow 10. You cannot borrow anything less than that. So when you borrow 10 from here, so you're borrowing 1 from here, and that makes it 16. 16 minus 8 is how much? 8. Now you borrowed 1 from this guy. That is how this became 16. So this is from 3 it became 2. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. Clear? So basically this approach is simple. You will add up to your point. If I have to subtract this, let's say this from this number. What did I do first? I made sure that units are together, and tens are together, hundreds are together, thousands are together. There's no 10,000 here, so I don't have to worry about it. I kept it as is. Or even I can say, okay, fine, I'll put a 0 here. Okay. Now I can do subtraction. Unit from unit, 2 minus 1, 1, no problem. 8 minus 8, 0, nothing is left. 9 minus 9, 0, nothing is left. 7 minus 8. I cannot subtract 8 from 7, so I have to borrow from the next number. So when I borrow, I'll borrow 1, so it becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. Since I borrowed from this guy, it became from 4 to 3.
Your screen froze. Mr. Kumar, you good? It looks like you're having network. I can't hear you. So that means that Captain Jack Sparrow
It's probably
have
the
to
internet.
appear. Ah!
Yeah, internet problem.
Yeah.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
Plus he wrongly minus 17 from 8. It's supposed to be 9,
Captain
not
Jack
5.
Sparrow will appear. And this
You know,
Captain Jack's.
can you guys hear me okay now?
Yep.
Now, yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So what I was saying was, be it a two-digit number, be it a three-digit number, be it a four-digit number, approach is the same. The concept is same. You have to keep the numbers, the unit value in unit place, and then you try subtracting. Tens value in tens place, then try subtracting. That's it. If you write the question correctly, you'll be able to solve it right. If you don't do that, that is where there'll be a mistake. Okay, clear? Yeah. So I will give extra sums to Sanya, Kavyan, Beek, and Tasvik. And it is not to make you make split this group. It is primarily to make sure that you guys are ready for with enough practice for your star test, okay, which is going to come up in few weeks from now. Okay. All right. So we know multiplication, single digit, addition, subtraction, and everything that I have just checked. Let's look at who all knows division here very well.
I'm the champion of division. Nobody can defeat me.
That I know. That's why I'm not asking you. Let me go to other kids. Okay. Uh, Advik, you have any confusion with division? Wait. You're not playing here. Hmm? No confusion with division? Okay. And again, remember this. Be it multiplication or division, both will be good or easy if you know the tables well. Okay. So let me just show one example of division here for Kavyan and uh, Tasvik and Sania to just do a quick revision. Okay, let's say if I have to divide, let's say somebody says divide 16 by 8. Everybody on mute, please.
Okay.
Everybody on mute, please. Okay,
Ooh, Captain Jack Sparrow's here. Let me change it to my costume.
Wow.
kids.
Kids.
You will get your 5 minutes to jump around, do all the fun stuff. Okay, not right now.
Sound like a parents.
But I thought you said from 30 minutes from now.
I will let you guys know. Calm down. You guys, I mean, are we here to learn something or not?
Yes.
Base.
Then,
I
then,
thought we had to review for
then,
the
then,
fifth
then
grade to start.
please follow instructions. Okay, that's very important. Okay, okay. Now coming back to simple division. Okay, let's say I have to divide 16 by 8. What does it mean? You can do it like this. Okay, I will write 16 here in the bracket inside this and start. Everybody be on mute, please? Why do I have to repeat?
I am.
No, I should not be repeating, okay? Because if I do that, we'll be wasting time, okay? Now, if I have to divide 16 by 8, let me pick up a even simpler one, okay? Let's say I have to divide 16 by 4, okay? This is a table that everybody knows, okay? I'm not worried about the complexity. I'm worried about the approach. So let's say if somebody has to divide 16 by 4, what you have to do, just listen to it carefully. You have to divide 16 by 4. What you do, you start from the first one. 1 is smaller than 4, meaning if you read the table of 4, you'll never get 1 or less than 1. You'll start with 4. So this one digit is not enough. So you pick first two numbers, 16. Then you start the table of 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16. Okay, so now if I do 4 times of 4, I get 16. My division is done. My answer is 4. That means somebody dividing 16 by 4 equals 4. This is my answer. Sania, you know this? You knew this, or this is something that I'm explaining for the first time?
I knew it.
You knew it? Okay. Now, let's try doing something more interesting. Divide 100 by 8. Okay. So, what I will do? I'll write 100 here. I'll write 8 here. Pick the first number. 1 is smaller than 8. That will not work. Let me pick one more number. So, I'll go till 10. Now, 10 is, I pick the second number also. Now, this is 10. 10 is more than 8. So, I can try with this. Now 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So I can do up to one times only. 8 1 ja 8 is what I will write. Okay. And then I subtract 8 from 10. So subtracting 8 from 10 means 2. Gives me value of 2. Now what do I have? 20. Okay. Now again let's start the table of 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. 8 3 ja 24. So I can go up to 2 times. 8 2 ja 16. What is remaining now? 4. 4 is less than 8. Okay. I can go on doing it, and that is when the decimal will come into picture, but I'm not doing that right now. I will stop here for junior classes, saying dividing 100 by 8 means gives me the answer as 12 and the remainder as 4. This is the remainder. You cannot go beyond this. Okay. This is where you have to stop.
Mr. Kumar.
Yeah.
But if you were to put it in decimal, wouldn't it be 12.5?
So that is why I'm saying I did I talk about decimal yet? No. That's why I said we'll stop that remainder. I want everybody to be comfortable with the concept first, and then we will go to the next steps. Okay. When I get no when I get to see you guys rushing for things, right? That is where you will make a mistake on the basics, and then in an attempt to learn so many things, you'll get stuck. Okay. So that's why I want you to hold it. Because if we are talking about the syllabus, there'll be a chapter for decimal. When we come to decimal, we'll put a lot of focus on that. Okay. All right. I know many of you know the answer. Okay. But I will make sure that in next 4 weeks, you guys are there with all your preparation needed for your STAR test from third grade till fifth grade. Okay. Don't worry about it. All right. So what I was trying to say was there's a basic division. I wanted to make sure that everybody knows the division part of it. Okay. All right. Okay. Now I'm giving you guys 5 minutes of your time to make as much noise you want to make.
Guys, do emojis.
And the time,
Scallywag, I'm dun 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 dun.
Alright, I got a perfect gift for you.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
Yeah,
No,
guys,
okay,
look
wait.
at this. Look. Where is that thing? I'm just typing random stuff. This is how I speak, guys.
Gibby.
Guys, this is how I speak. Now, where's the Nepal? Wait, where was it? No, wait, where was it? Oh, here we go.
Skippity. Yes. Guys,
And
everybody spam your
you guys can do everything that you want. Once we are in the in-person class, I'll make you guys do sit-ups also. Remember that, okay?
Everybody spam click. Everybody spam.
Wait, why sit-ups?
I want you guys to be fit.
Oh, I thought we were supposed
Captain
to
Jack
learn.
Sparrow.
I'll make you guys
They
jump.
do
I'll make you guys do
fitness.
sit-ups also.
I
Okay?
thought you guys.
I
I
have
thought
to
we
sit
were
up
supposed
every day
to
in school.
learn.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
Those
yes.
sending the
yes.
emojis sound
I'll
satisfying.
make you guys make noise, make dance, make sit-ups, make push-ups, whatever you want to do.
Guys, look at this. I made the biggest emoji. Guys, I just maxed out typing. Bro. Nah, bro, I just maxed out typing. Look. Guys, type as many things as you can. Look, it says no, it cannot type anymore. I literally just surpassed the most typing letters. Bro, why can't I not type anymore?
Play Queen of
Dun 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 dun.
Guys,
Dun 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 dun.
Let's Alright, I know the perfect thing for you. Wait, let me just submit that.
Try.
I maxed it out.
Rav, look what I got for you.
I am not gonna tell what you're doing, and I don't care.
Rav, look at this. Where is that pirate? Oh, okay. Rav, look at this. Trying to spam this thing. Yeah. Even though I'm typing so slow, I'm at least doing something.
Why are we so quiet?
No,
Because
not really.
dun 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 dun.
So we will also have fun, okay? I have given 5 minutes break to everybody to
You
enjoy
oi, you
to,
scallywags!
to get their
Oi,
back.
scallywags! Scallywag! You're scallywag! You're scallywag! You're scallywag! You're scallywag! You're scallywag! You're scallywag! Everybody spam click on your chat.
Wait, what? Oh, okay. Nah, bro, I'm typing like I never could.
Keep a close tab on the time, okay? Remember, don't forget, we'll start in 2 minutes.
Dun 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 dun.
K-Fan, me.
Oi, scallywag! Give me some water before I roast you. Advik, your mama, Advik, you're so fat.
No,
When
no,
you went
no,
to the iPad
no mommy
competition,
daddy jokes, okay? No mommy daddy jokes.
yeah,
Careful.
no, mommy, daddy jokes. It's called your mom jokes.
No, you'll not do
Bobby,
that.
I can
Otherwise,
hear
I'll
you.
take out that I'll take out that.
Bobby, I can't hear you.
Okay. So it is only for fun, not for doing anything mischievous. Okay.
I can't mute myself.
Wait, what?
Laggy.
Wait, what?
I keep.
1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3,
One
4,
more minute. One more minute.
buckle some
Guys, look what I
more.
put. Look
5,
what I
6,
put. I put some
9,
Start,
ETA.
start coming down. Start coming down. We are starting in few seconds.
I can't leave or
Oh,
mute.
somebody said the game.
Everybody start coming down. Your 5 minutes are getting over now.
Guys, how many? I think, guys, I think this is the most messages on Earth. Guys, this has to be the most messages on Earth.
Bobby, no one can hear
Okay.
you.
Now everybody calms down. Everybody. Time over. Time over. Back to the normal mode. Back to the normal mode.
Oh no!
It's spamming
Advik,
for me.
Advik, if I'm giving time, if I'm respecting your emotions, you have to follow the discipline also. Everybody calm down. Arav, emotions back, normal. Everybody
Guys,
normal.
how many messages did we type?
Everybody normal.
I
Calm down.
stopped, and it's just keep on doing it to me.
And Arav, come back to normal mode. Everybody. Okay? Okay. Everybody, calm down. Everybody, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Okay?
Do we have to do sit-ups?
I said time is up. That
Time-
5 minutes is over. Okay?
I mean, do we have to do sit-ups?
No. Why we have to waste time? Tell me. We have only 20 more minutes before the class ends, right? Let's not waste time talking which is not needed. Okay? All right. Can you guys see my screen? No. I'll share my screen quickly. I'm sharing my screen now. Everybody stay focused. 20 minutes. We are going to learn something. Okay?
Yay.
Is it fun?
Probably not.
We'll not talk about that. We'll talk about it when I see you guys in the class. Okay? We'll talk about it. Now, next 20 minutes. Everybody is here. Everybody can hear me, okay? Myra, Sanya, Kavyan, Rashika.
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. So, now the next thing is about understanding fractions, factors, multiples, and patterns. Okay? Now, pay attention and stay muted. I will ask you guys when you have to speak. Okay? Now, let's say I have 16 as a number. What I can do, I can break it into 4 into 4. Or I can say 16 into 1. Or I can say 8 into 2. Yeah. So 16 can be written as 4 into 4, 16 into 1, 8 into 2.
Are you doing factors?
Don't jump, hear me out. Okay, I will see. I'm trying to make you guys relate certain things, and then I will tell what it is. Okay, so let just hold it for some time. I'm just telling a simple thing that if I have a number, let's say if I have 5, how many ways I can get 5? I can just say 5 into 1. That's the only way. Okay, if I have to put that in terms of multiples. Okay, if I have 10, I can write it in how many ways? I can say 10 into 1, or I can say 5 into 2. These are two ways I can get 10. Agree? So here, 5 and 1, what is this called? These are
Prime?
multiples of 5. Or sorry, my bad. Let me take it back. So if I am writing, let's say 5, I can write this as 5 into 1. 5 and 1 are two factors of 5. If I'm looking at 10, how many ways I could write it? I could write this 10 into 1. I could write this as 5 into 2. So all the numbers 1, 2, 5, and 10, these are called factors of 10. Meaning, you can, when you have to represent that number, if I'm saying 5 and 1 are two factors of 5, that means I can multiply this with some number, or I can multiply this with some number to get 5. So these two are called factors of 5. If I'm talking about 10, again I'm saying I can write this as 10 into 1. I can write this as 2 into 5. Meaning 1, 2, 5, and 10 are the factors of 10. Meaning any number, be it 1, you can multiply that with something, you will get 10. 2, you can multiply with something, you will get 10. 5, you can multiply with something, you'll get 10. 10, you can multiply with some number, you'll get 10. These are called factors. Now, let me take questions here. Okay, before I do that, let's pick one more. So, in case of 10, my factors are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Okay, now let's take 12. How many ways I can write it? I can write it as 12 into 1. I can write this as 3 into 4. I can write this as 6 into 2. Yeah. So here in case of 12, what are the factors? Now you guys can unmute yourself and somebody can tell me what are the factors for 12.
1, 2, 3,
1,
4, 6,
2, 3,
12.
4, 6, 2. 6.
1, 1,
And
2, 3, 4, 6, 12.
6, 12 also. Yes.
Gaviran, why do you have two twos?
Oh, so only answer what I ask you to answer, okay? No parallel talks. And stop typing messages here, okay?
Yeah,
That is distracting everybody. Then don't do that. Now, let's say if I say what are the factors of 15?
1, 3, 5, and 15.
No, so that is where I don't want you guys to rush. I always keep pushing you guys, forcing you guys to follow a right process, okay? Meaning to derive that, you'll say, okay, for 15, I can write this as 5 into 3. I can write this as 1 into 15. Okay. Once you do that, and then you'll think, is there any other way I can write 15 or get 15? No, I think this is all. So then you know, okay, my factors are 1, 3, 5, and 15. If I give you a number, okay, 20, tell me what are the factors. You'll say 1, 4, 2, 15. I don't care. That is of no use because you're not following the right approach. I want you to think. Every math is to be thought and then you do it. So the concept that I've taught you guys, TRAN, right? Trust, read, analyze, and Nike. That Nike comes at the end. If you try bringing Nike at the front and you start doing it, you will do a blunder. Don't ever do that. If you try doing it first without thinking, without doing analysis, without reading the question, there's a high probability that you'll go wrong. Okay, so don't do that. Let's say I'm saying 24. Now, let me ask the younger kids who can tell me how to get Arav. Why you have to keep on typing, Mita?
I'm not typing. It's
I'm
not.
still the messages coming one after another.
But see, I'm not typing.
We teach Mr. Kumar. We wrote too many messages and they're still coming.
Oh,
Yeah,
spam.
okay, so I can see that Arav and Kavyan are still sending messages. I would request both of them to disconnect and join again so that the messages which is coming by default that stops coming. Okay, because those messages are actually disturbing everybody. Okay, see. All right. So let me check. Or and again, these messages are so annoying. This is not letting me continue with what I'm doing. Avik, you're not answering my questions, but you're typing here. Not needed. Don't do that. And going forward, you guys will not play emojis. You can make noise, you can dance, sing. You'll not keep on typing because that disturbs the whole class. That's a waste of time for everybody. Okay, don't do that. Okay, nobody will type here. That 5 minute break that I'll give, that will be only for dancing, singing, anything that you can do, but not for no creating a no disturbance here. Okay, let's not do that. All right. So going back to the new kids, Sanya, can you help me find the factors for 24? You can try. I will help you. Don't worry. Okay.
What?
I'm saying, how do I get the factors of 24? How many ways I can break 24? I can say 1 into 24 for sure. Yeah.
Yeah, 12 times 2.
Very nice. And can I say 6 times 4? Once you memorize the table of 6, you'll be able to say that. Yeah.
Okay.
Is there any other way? I think I can do 8 times 3 also. Okay. Yeah. So now your factors for this, and there's no other option. I think we have done all that is possible. So my factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Now again, when I say factors, factor of a number means any of those numbers can be multiplied by some number to get this. Okay. All right. Now let's. Okay. Any confusion so far? I'm assuming no. Okay. No confusion. Okay. Sanya said thumbs down. I don't know what that means. She understood or she said no, thumb down for the
That means
confusion.
no.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Now let's go to a different related thing. So everybody knows what is a factor. I have 6. What are the factors? I will just figure out. Okay, 6 times 1, I can write it. 6 I can write as 6 times 1, or I can write this as 2 times 3. Wonderful. That's it. So my factors are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Here, these three, these 4 numbers are called factors of 6. Or if you look at it this way, what did I say? Any factor means this number can be multiplied with something to get 6. This number can be multiplied by something to get 6. This can be multiplied by something to get 6. This can be multiplied with something to get 6. Now, that means 6 is a multiple of 1, 2, 3, 6. Now let me Let me simplify this further. Let's say I have 12. I'm trying to find the factors. What did I do? Well, I'll say 12 into 1. I can say 4 into 3. I can say 2 into 6. That's it. So my factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are my factors, meaning if I multiply 1 with some number, I will get a 12. If I multiply with 2 with some number, I'll get 12. If I multiply 3 with some number, I'll get 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 are factors of 12. If I change my statement, I can also say 12 is a multiple of these numbers, meaning 12 is a multiple of 6, meaning if I multiply 6 with something, I'll get 12. Okay. So 12 is a multiple of 6, meaning if you multiply 6 with something, you'll get a 12. That is the difference between factors and multiples. Okay, let's see. Somebody has questions. Somebody is raising hand or somebody is typing something non-stop, even after I have asked so many times. This is the last time, guys. I would not encourage you guys to type here. This is not a playground. We are here for serious business, okay? Don't do that ever. All right. So tell me one thing. Are you guys comfortable to understand the difference between what is a factor and what is a multiple? Can somebody explain me? Okay. Let me ask Arav. Arav, if you have to explain me what is a factor, consider me a kindergartner, okay? How do you explain me what is a factor?
So a factor is like what like it's like a multiple, but it's like where you find the 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 full number with like so it's like six is a factor.
Okay. So I'll keep on checking you guys, okay, in between. See, I know everybody knows what is factor, what is multiple, but when it comes to explaining that to somebody, that is when you get to know that can you explain that conceptually to anybody or not? Okay. So that is why if you guys keep on typing messages, you will not be able to pay attention to what has been taught here. Okay. See, I don't know if it's only me who's seeing it, but this message is scrolling one after another non-stop.
They
Okay.
were sending that in the 5-minute break.
No, so hereafter, no sending messages. Okay. Those 5-minute breaks are only for getting you guys fresh and energized, not by creating this nuisance which will disturb the whole class after that. Okay. So coming back again, putting that in a simple way, factors of any numbers mean that this number or this number can be broken into multiples of that. Meaning, if I say 1, 4, 8, and 16 are multiple factors of 16, meaning one of these numbers can be multiplied with something to get 16. Or other way around, you can say 16 is a multiple of 4. 16 is a multiple of 8. 16 is a multiple of 16. And these things help you when you do fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and all. Okay. Just give you an example. Okay. Don't go deeper into it. When we talk about fractions, I will repeat. Okay. What we do is we do a LCM. Let's say that is 8. Sanya, don't worry about it. Okay. I'm going to explain this in detail. I'm just giving an example. When I do this, I get LCM of 8. Now I see that, okay, how many times of 4 is 8? Okay. So I know that 8 is a multiple of 4. What value, what multiplication? That is when this multiple comes into picture. Okay. Or this LCM thing plays a role here. So in simple terms, when you say a multiple, 10 is a multiple of 5, meaning if you multiply 5 with something, you get 10. 5 is a fraction of 10, meaning 5 is one part of 10. If you multiply something with 5, you'll get a 10. So these two things are interchangeably used. Okay. It's just the reverse. One, two, three, four, five, six are, let's say, what, let's say I'm talking about 10. 1, 2, and 5. Oh, sorry. What do I? 1, 2, 5, and 10 are factors of this. Or a reverse is 10 is a multiple of these numbers. That's the only one line thing that I can explain you guys in simple terms. So we just did a revision of what is a factor and what is multiple. Okay, I'll give you guys some sums because you guys already know it. And once you do the sums or the homework, you'll be able to reaffirm that do you really know it, or if there's something that you are missing. That is what we'll try to learn in the next class. Okay. So from a star test syllabus point of view, so far we have just touched upon. Do you guys know multiplication, single digit, two digit multiplication or not? Do you know addition, subtraction, and estimation? And what is the concept behind division? Do you guys know that? And then we touched upon fractions or factors and multiples. That's what we have done. Okay. We just learned about the factors and the multiples. Fractions we'll learn in the future classes. Okay. Fractions and other details around equivalent fraction, comparing fractions, and all those things we'll learn in the future classes. So we just learned factors and multiples today. Okay. And we'll start with fraction and how to deal with the fractions, how to compare the different fractions and all that in the next class. Any questions here? See, because of this scrolling messages, I cannot see who is raising hand, who is talking, who is not talking. I can see Kavyan. Okay, Kavyan, go ahead, beta. I cannot hear you. You are on mute. I cannot hear you, Kavyan. Okay, okay. Let's see what Advik has to say. Kavyan, you might want to go to Goshika and then I can hear you probably.
Never mind. I answered myself.
Okay. All right.
He's coming.
Okay. Arav, you had a question as well?
Nope.
No. Okay.
Could you
Kavyan.
Could you get a factor by dividing?
Yeah, you can get factor by dividing as well. But what I'm trying to do here is I'm just trying to make things in a simplified form. Okay. If I keep things simple, it becomes very easy. If I complicate things, you will not Advik, you'll not be able to relate it. You will the chance of forgetting is more. Okay. That's why I try keeping it simple. If let's say if I give you a number 100 tomorrow, will it be easy for you to find the factors? Probably yes. If I say, okay, divide that by 5, divide that by 10, might be a little difficult. But here, since you guys are knowing the tables, you can play with the tables and find out the factors, right? You'll say, okay, fine. 24. I can see 24 in the table of 8. I can see 24 in the table of 4. I can see 24 in the table of 3 also. Yeah. And then the table of 12 also. So that is how you derive all the factors. It becomes much easier. Okay. All right. So that brings us to the end of the class. Be ready for a little bit extra homework, but this will be much simpler, easier ones because we are trying to cover the entire syllabus per star. Okay, whatever we have learned, we are just going to do some sums on addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then the basics of deriving factors and multiples. Okay, so that's what we'll try to do, and then we'll see how comfortable you guys are. Okay, if I see some gaps, something that needs to be redone or something needs to be again explained, I'll do that. Okay, so all the kids from level 1, you guys can drop off. We are good for today and wait for my assignment. Okay,
Bye.
bye bye.
What's your homework?
I will send it to you guys, don't worry.
Okay.
All right.